This is the easiest among all the three functions, that is the arrow function using template string. And this is the shortest and the modern version. Instead of using the quotes, here all we need is the backticks, dollar sign and the curly braces. Let me create a function. I'll write const hello 3 equals to name. After this I'll write a arrow sign. Now here comes the backticks. We have to use the backticks. Inside this we have to return. I'll write hello. After that a dollar sign and the curly braces. Inside this curly braces what we have to pass is the parameter. The name of our parameter is the name itself. So I'll write name. We'll print this using console.log, and inside this I'll write hello 3, which is our variable name. Then comes the parameter. Here I'll write Smitu codes. I'll just inspect this. You can see here we got this hello Smitu codes. This is the easiest way among all the three. All you have to do is just write the variable name, then give the parameter, then return the function. Here you don't have to write all the name like functions and all. You will simply use this arrow functions arrow sign. This is how this works. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for further notifications. Thanks for watching this video. Coming back to the next method, that is arrow function in a ES6 way. Here ES6 refers to the ECMAScript 2015. It introduced several new features and enhancements related to the methods in JavaScript. To understand this, let's create a function. I'll write const hello2 equals to, and here inside this parenthesis we have to pass a parameter. The name of our parameter will be the name2. After this we have to give one arrow. Next comes the same thing, that is inside this curly braces we have to return our function, that is I'll write return hello. Then again same thing, we'll use this plus sign and we'll write our parameter name. Then we'll close this. Let's print this using console.log. Inside this we have to write the name of our variable, that is hello 2. From here we'll pass the parameter name. I'll simply write hello codes. I'll just open my console. I'll refresh it here. You can see we got this hello codes. Let me explain you this. This is a shorter way and cleaner way to write the function introduced in ES6. Instead of writing this function, we store it in a constant variable. Here I have used this const. And as I said before, this name2 is the parameter. Then comes this arrow. Arrow itself says it's a function. When I click on this arrow, it says it's a function. We don't have to write function again. All we have to do is just write this arrow sign. It returns the same result with the less code. That's why this is called as the arrow function. Then the last one is arrow function using template string. Hey everyone, in this video we are going to learn 3 super easy ways to say hello in JavaScript, starting from the old school function to the modern ES6 arrow functions. And by the end of this video, you will understand how each function works. Let's start with the first one, that is the normal function. To create that, we'll simply write function and I'll name this function as hello1. Here inside this parenthesis, I'll write name 1. This name 1 is a parameter we are passing inside this parenthesis. After this, we'll use this curly braces. Inside this curly braces, we'll return the function. I'll write return. I'll use double quotes. Inside this, I'll write hello. After this, I have to use a plus sign. Then we have to mention our parameter, that is name 1. Again the plus sign and I'll write this exclamation mark. Let's print this using console.log. Inside this we have to pass this function name, that is hello1, and after this I'll write the name, which is our parameter we are passing from here. If I just go and open the console, you can see here we got this hello Smith. Let me explain you this function. All we did is, this is the traditional way of creating a function in JavaScript. First we have a function and we named it as a hello1. Then we used a parenthesis, and inside this parenthesis we have given our parameter, that is the name, which we are passing from here, that is the name which I have given Smith. This is the parameter we are passing. And inside this curly braces we are returning a function, that is hello name, and this name we passed it from here. This is how this normal function works.